Hey class, in today's lesson, we're going to be looking at integer word problems. So by the end of the lesson, you will be able to use problem-solving strategies to solve word problems involving integer operations. Let's get started. So first, let's just remember some of those tips to help you solve word problems. Make sure you read the entire problem. You highlight, underline, or circle any keywords in the question. Visualize and understand what it's actually saying. Draw a picture if you need to. Write a number sentence, an expression, or an equation to help you solve the problem, what it's asking. Write down what you know and what you need to know. And then finally, at the end, ask yourself if your answer makes sense. Let's look at our first example, number 1. It says Hannah made 4 withdrawals of $20. So she's taking money out from her checking account. She also wrote a check for $215. So she's writing a check, she's spending that money. By how much did the amount in her checking account change? Okay, well, she took out $20 4 times. So she made 4 withdrawals of $20. And since she's taking money out, we're going to represent that with that negative sign, right? She's taking out 20, taking out another 20, taking out another 20, and another 20. So we can write that as 4 times negative 20. Then she writes a check for $215. So she's writing a check, she's spending it, she's losing another $215. Now we can simplify the expression to see how much her account changed overall. Okay, so first she took out money 4 times, and every time she took out $20. So 4 times negative 20 is negative 80, right? She took out $80 from those 4 withdrawals. Then she also wrote a check for $215. So we're going to subtract 215. So we have the negative 80 from the 4 withdrawals, and then the negative 215 from writing a check. So we want to find out how much she took out or spent altogether. So 80 plus 215 is 295. And that was how much she spent or lost, so it's a negative. So negative $295. Her checking account changed by negative $295. All right, now I want you to try this next word problem that's on the screen. So pause the video and then hit continue when you're ready to check your answer. All right, so check your answer with my answer. Reggie lost 30 points every time he lost a spaceship, and it says he lost 3 of them, so he's losing 30 points for each, and there's 3, so 3 times negative 30, and then he got a bonus of 200, so plus 200. So then final answer, Reggie's score changed by 110 points. All right, let's do another example together. Number 3 says 3 brothers. All right, so it's 3 brothers borrow, so that means they owe money, so that's a negative. Borrow a total of $72 from their parents for concert tickets. Each brother must pay back an equal share of this amount. So the total that they owed a total of $72. The youngest brother owes his parents an additional $15. How much will the youngest brother owe? Okay, so in total they owe $72, so negative 72. And they're splitting it equally among 3. So we're going to divide it by 3. You can write it like that, or you can write negative 72 divided by 3, whichever one you prefer. I prefer to use the fraction bar. So negative 72 divided by 3 to get how much one brother owes. So negative 72 divided by 3, a negative divided by a positive is a negative, and 72 divided by 3 is 24. So each brother owes $24, but the youngest brother owes an additional 15. So the youngest brother, so this is each brother, and then the youngest owes 24 plus an additional 15. He owes an additional 15. So how much in total does the youngest owe his parents? Well, negative 24 plus negative 15, 39. He owes his parents $39. So if we want to write the answer statement, the youngest brother owes his parents $39. All right, you try this last example, and then when you're ready to check your answer, hit continue. All right, take a moment, check your answers with mine, pause the video if you need to. This was 7 payments of $5 each. So -5 represents paying the money, right? That's money we're losing because we're paying it. So 7 payments of spending $5, so 7 times -5. But then she got $20 back because she returned the game. So then we can add 20 because we gained 20. And then you have a total change of -$15. So in the end, she only spent $15. All right, that's it for today. Bring any questions you have to class and be ready for some practice.